develop business on the web? Do you want to sell more? We know how to boost your online sales. More than half of all internet purchases are thanks to email marketing. Promotion on social networks, the attractiveness of your website, and context advertising are all highly important. But all of these combined do not come close to the effectiveness of email marketing. How does it work? Everybody these days has a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The user engages with your advertisement only while interacting on social networks and professional sites. Using email. For our mailing list, we use a special database, which includes addresses of interested users. They've already agreed to receiving promotional messages and are waiting to hear from you. Your newsletter will be generated according to the interests of each addressee. Specialized email platform provides segmentation of your potential customer base for a variety of settings. Hit right on target. Draw attention to the product. Remind people about yourself. Get new customers and keep old ones coming back. Communicate with your users. Our service will create mailing lists, summarize statistics, and analyze the results. A/B tests are the perfect way to communicate with your audience. Get more return from emails. With reasonable use of personalization of your mailing list. Even if the list contains tens of thousands of addresses, each email will be different. We'll also create an attractive design for your message. No one will send such a work of art to the trash. Do not repeat the mistakes of others who send letters with their own CRM. Secure mailing from cloud servers will keep you out of the spam filters. Thanks to the adaptive design, your letter will look equally good on any device. A well-thought-out strategy is the way to victory. Letters will be sent just at the right time. We will create readable, inspirational text, which is the basis of any successful mailing. The correct layout and design are equally important. Illustrations, videos, and even GIF animated pictures. Use the most relevant ways to increase conversion rates. Email marketing, the real way to increase earnings on the internet, which will really pay off. Maximum results at minimum cost.